Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about LTSpice analog simulation software for the analog circuits. So we are going to understand that from where we can get this circuit and how we can create these simulations. And this is the first video, and I will make a whole series for the understanding of this LTSpice simulation software for analog circuits. So this is the completely free software, and many other softwares are on their website which we can use and analyze our circuits. Let's start it. For me, I'm using Windows 11, so I'm going to use this one. For if you are using this one or Mac, you can download for these ones. And let's open the software. I already downloaded it here. First of all, we can go to the file, then go for the new schematic. So blank page will appear here. Here we can just grab the components from here and drop it here. Also escape it, and then we can drag and drop the components and then escape it with the left click of mouse. This is capacitor, bring it here, escape, and then resistor, bring it here, we can escape. We can do like this, but I will take already provided circuit to explain the basics of it. And if you want to cross these components, you can just put cross here, or you can put the delete button. If you will put the delete button, it will go for scissor sign, and click here, it will delete it, and then escape. And if another way of getting these components is like, if you will press V on your keyboard, you will get voltage source, escape, and if you will press R, you will get resistor, then again escape. If you will press C, you will get the capacitor. If you will press G on your keyboard, you will get the ground source. In the same way, yeah, if you will press T, the text box will open. Then this here, this IC sign is like the components. So let's click here. These are all the components which you can just get it here. If you will click here, this sign, this thing, this is load, inductor, or whatever, it will come here. You can place it by pressing this button. But first of all, I am not going for this one. I will take some small IC so we can explain a bit more easily. I will take some LTC. If I will press LTC, now you can see that hundreds of these circuits are here. These are different ICs, and you can take any one of these. I will just take LTC just 3565, and this is the step down DC-DC converter IC. Let's put it here. Let me clean all the other stuff. I will go for the cross here, put it here, 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 and here, and then escape. What I can do that I can make it zoom in, zoom out, and put the zoom to fit. You can design the whole schematic around it. And how do you know what is the schematic for this LTC3565 IC? Right click on it, and it will appear that its number, and open example circuit for it. Let's open it. When you will open, it will directly come here, LTC3565. This is yours file with draft 3, and this is for the new one with example, the one as I clicked here and I opened the example circuit. So I will just go with this one. So this is the circuit which is already designed here for us, and let's see that how we can move the components here. So if you will bring your mouse here and do the right click, it will, in this way you can change this value of this component, or for all these components it's like this. And one thing more I want to show, if you will press the control button and then right click on any component, it will show the spice line and spice line 2 for all the components. If it is like on this spice line, we have connected this resistor, so it is showing it here. For other components, we did not have any connected spice line here, so it will not show. But if you will press control button and then right click, it will show you this thing, attributes, component attributes editor. Moreover, if you want to remove these components, you have to use cross button. But if you want to move away, because if you are just holding anywhere and moving it, it will move together. So how you can move it individually? This is for duplicate, and this is for move mode. Click it here, then you can remove it and you can put anywhere there, and you can put it back. And the good thing is you don't need to hold it. You just need to click it once, and then you can move around without holding the click button. And in this way you can put it back. Let's draw some signal, and I can explain you a bit about how we can use the signal, its simulation things. Here is the screen button for run. I will just delete this one for now because we have opened this one. You can minimize it and it will go down here when you are going to minimize it. And let's make it a bit bigger. Here you can change this orientation of these canvas. You can do like this or like this or like this. So this is most easiest one. You can do like this and then this. Okay, it's fine. When you will click on this one, then all these things appear here. But when you will go with this one, click on this side of the screen, then you will get a bit plotting thing of the schematic. So let's click here, and then let's run it. Then go for the when it is running, then you can bring your mouse here, and then you can draw something. So this is the output voltage. You can see it here, and let's just click it here, nothing else. And then again, let's click it here. This is the input voltage on the same screen, and how much the current is flowing through this inductor. Just click here. It will show you this thing. And one more thing I will take, the amount of current is passing through this resistor. It's like this. So right now we are having 4 different screens, but it is not much visible. What we can do? We can just go to click here and on the screen, and then go to the plot setting, and here you can see add plot above or below, whatever. You can just add these more here. We need 4 because we are having 4 strings, so I will just plot 4, 1 2 3 4. Then you can just drag and drop it here. So this is input voltage. Let's take the first for this one. Then this is V out. Just bring it here. The whole output will come here, and again like this. So for analyzing, you can do like this. Even you can draw more circuits, and also it goes the same way. It's a bit difficult to understand, so this one is the best one. In this way you can analyze your circuit so smoothly. Moreover, that if you want to go it in more deeper, so let's select a bit part of it, then it will show what with all for that specific part only. In this way, you can deeply analyze your signal in a very clear way. So this is the first video for the analyzing and learning of LTSpice software. I will make more videos of it. You can visit my channel for the advanced usage of this LTSpice, in which we can understand that how we can make and understand all these signals, and we will also change the values of these components to see the behavior of the signal. So it is totally free software. You can go and download, and let's learn together. Thanks.